Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an artifact in Claude AI. So first of all, come here on Claude AI. Then first of all, log in into your account if you haven't already. Now over here, simply hover over to the top and click on the option of new in order to start a new conversation in Claude. Now here in this section, you need to describe exactly what you want to create. You can ask Claude AI for any kind of document, presentation, diagram, website, interactive application, and even a code project. For example, I give it this prompt, which is create an interactive budget calculator with a clean interface. Then if I hit enter, Claude is going to generate the result, and when it qualifies as an artifact, you are going to see it in the artifact panel beside the conversation. So it is going to look something like this. In the right hand section, I have the budget ledger that I wanted to create, and in the left hand side I have the conversation that I gave it to. So over here you are going to see this drop down menu. When you click on this drop down menu, you will be able to either download your artifact or you will be able to even publish your artifact. Now if you want to use the artifact panel, you can also basically, if you want to make changes into it, use this write a message section where you can just simply provide any kind of follow-up instructions, and then you can also ask it to either change the design or add a new feature or fix any kind of error or even do any of the updates or changes. So again, when you are happy, you can either download, you can either share, or you can even copy it depending on the type of artifact that you are working with. So that's how you can create an artifact in Claude AI. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.